Okay. Wait. Look what I got. Oh. How do you open this? What do you mean? It's open. Wait. This tape. It's in a brown bag. Oh. More packaging. On to the next one. I can't open it. Wait. You can open yours. Everyone have scissors. Okay. Use the napkin. Wait. Oh my god. Oh, that's.
Is that a secret?
No. Okay. I got this one. This one. But I got this one. Cute. Make a circle with it. Ouch. Okay. Open this. Here, let's cut it. Patty. Wait, show them what you got, Patty, but you can't open it. Here. I got this one. And then I got this one. And I got this one. Now it's time to open the last one. And then show you my toys. So you're gonna cut Bluey? No. This is everything I got. I need help. What's the scissors?
What did you get, AJ?
My favorite one.
How much was that? How much was that?
$53.
No, that.
This. Oh. $35.
Bluey.
Huh?
Bluey was
$35.
okay. And then
Ooh, this elbow squishy. My fidget toys were $6. And my super sticky 3D dragon was $10. Okay.
so that comes to
$52.
Mr. Aircon.
Huh?
Okay.
How much was
It's
this?
still.
How much was this, Auntie?
I have no idea.
Check it.
20.
Wait. Oh yeah, this was $20. This was $8. And this was $6. These were $6.
Turn on the.
And your dress?
And my dress was $16.
Your total is?
$50.
That's good.
The dishes I okay.